Fam Bam. Little birds, little bumblebees. My little furry little honeybees. He's so cute. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about. Hey Boogie, welcome home.
Hi. How you doing?
How was your thingy?
Good.
Missed you.
You got some pretty pictures on your Instagram.
Thank you. It is the vibe. You know what's funny is you didn't even like them. You're such a supportive husband. Okay, I am vlogging, so time out.
I'm gonna go shower then.
Okay, so today is going to be a Trader Joe's haul. I'm meal planning right now, so I'm getting my ingredients together. Well, first I decide which meals I wanna make, then I do inventory in my kitchen, and then I make my grocery list. I have a very in-depth video on how I meal plan and how I grocery shop on my channel, and I'll link it down below so you can watch it after this video if you would like. So something I am for sure gonna make this week is these beef bulgogi bowls. This is from a HelloFresh recipe. Tip, if you do HelloFresh, save the recipe cards because then you can remake your favorite stuff. And then I just have a few things on my Pinterest that I really wanna make. So I pretty much have my list together. I'm just gonna add a few more like everyday, daily things, but I have everything that I need to make for dinners this week. And I'm gonna make some gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. This is honestly one of my favorite videos to make. So thank you for watching. If you're new here, I'm glad you stumbled across my channel, and let's go. Okay guys, we are back from Trader Joe's. I have Matt recording because it's just easier for me. So I got some gluten-free white sandwich bread. Can you like see everything or do you need to come closer?
No,
I feel like you're far. I feel like you're far. Come a little closer. I got a purple onion. I got some dried apricots. We are actually making a charcuterie board tonight, and we got a few bottles of wine to try, so if there's like oddball things in here, that is why we're doing a charcuterie. So I got dried apricots, gluten-free, savory thin crackers, bell peppers, because I just like to have them whenever I'm cooking. I got plantain chips. These are my favorite with lime squeezed on. So good. Bulgogi Korean style beef. I've made this before in my old Instapot recipe video. So if you want to know how I make this, go to that recipe video. I'm gonna make it again. It's really good. And then I just got some sharp cheddar cheese. I'm gonna make us some grilled cheese. And then I got this roasted red pepper soup from Trader Joe's a while ago. So we're gonna do grilled cheese and tomato soup. And then Matt got some vanilla bean yogurt that he wanted to try for dates. They are good with peanut butter sweet. They're also good in salad savory with like bacon and chicken. So good. I might put some on the charcuterie tonight. Got some Brussels sprouts. Y'all know I love my Brussels sprouts. I get them every time I go grocery shopping. We have them once a week. I got some chocolate chunks, the Trader Joe's chocolate chunks, because I'm gonna make gluten-free chocolate chip cookies from scratch, baby. And then I got some shredded carrots. Those are gonna go in my bulgogi bowls, my beef bulgogi. Some creamy no-stir peanut butter spread. That's the peanut butter I get from Trader Joe's. Oh, this is the wine we got. So this is the Trader Joe's cab, and it was only $2.99. And the lady that checked us out is really interesting. She said that they will buy out wineries or bulk get the wine, and then they're able to sell it for like really cheap. It was literally only $2.99, and it says from Bronco Wine Company, and I guess in California. So I thought that was really cool. And then I got this Porta 6. It's just a red blend. I'm excited to try that. I usually only drink white wine, but I've been really into reds lately. Then I got a cucumber because I shave these into ribbons and it goes in the beef bulgogi bowls. And then Matt got this coconut and almond Greek low-fat yogurt with almond granola. I got some grapes for the charcuterie. I got this cranberry fresh goat cheese for the charcuterie board tonight. Love that with some crackers, so good. I got some chocolate hummus, delish. You probably had the chocolate hummus from H-E-B. They were like known for that. Well, this is Trader Joe's chocolate hummus. Love that. And we're gonna be eating those with fresh strawberries. Also got strawberries for Matt's yogurt. Some more unsweetened almond milk for my coffee, Matt's coffee. Sour cream, just in case we need it. I'm gonna do some chicken thighs in the Instapot this week, and it calls for a little bit of sour cream. Okay, last bag here. Oh! Okay, and then we also got this assortment of boozy little chocolate truffles. So There's one made with London gin, Scotch whiskey, navy rum, and Prosecco. We're gonna try these for our charcuterie board tonight. Okay, we got these boozy little truffles from Trader Joe's, and they have 4 different alcohols in them, so we're gonna try them. The first one we're gonna try has London gin in it. Here's a cheers. I don't like gin, I don't think. I don't like gin. Is it the gin? Oh. Is it the gin that tastes like that? Okay. Don't like the gin. Next one we're gonna do is Scotch whiskey.
Cheers.
Hold on, wait. Here, let's cleanse our palate. Wait! Cheers me. This one is Scotch whiskey. Scotch? I like the Scotch whiskey. But I love whiskey.
That's Scotch, like.
Can you taste it? What's crazy is it tastes like actual alcohol. Okay, I'm excited for these. The next one is navy rum. What's navy rum? Okay. Navy rum bum. Navy rum bum. Cheers. Damn wasted. I like the navy rum. What? Do you mind? Want some wine? Okay. The last one is Prosecco. Prosecco. Woo! So yummy. Okay. The white ones are Prosecco. There's like little crunchy things. We didn't cheers! You just popped that bitch in your mouth. There's no chocolate in there. Do you? Is it weird? No, no, the inside's chocolate. Do you taste Prosecco?
Yeah, what's your favorite?
My favorite is the Prosecco. What's yours? Scotch whiskey. One last cheers. And I have a sugar spike right now. We just had so many issues with cameras, but hopefully we're good now. Matt's learning to be a YouTube husband right about now. I don't remember, did I talk about this yet?
No.
Okay. This is General Tao stir fry sauce that I'm gonna use for my beef bulgogi. So that'll be good. And I put it on the Trader Joe's Jasmine white rice. Always so good. Then I got some artichokes. I just pinned my Pinterest. If you don't follow me on Pinterest, I'll put it in the description box below. How to make artichokes in the Instapot. And I had them while we were on vacation and I was like, dude, I need to figure out how to make them. I love artichokes dipped in like garlic butter, gravy, and you just, so good. Then we got some avocados just to have with our food this week. I got some blueberries for Matt to put in his yogurt. And this is the last thing. I got a bag of sweet potatoes. We eat sweet potatoes with a lot of different things. It's a really good thing to have to just bulk up any meal that you have. Just put some sweet potatoes with it, underneath it, on the side of it. And I like to keep them in the pantry for those reasons. Okay, y'all, that is it for this Trader Joe's haul. I really hope that you like it. I love going to Trader Joe's. I love filming what I get at Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is such a hyped place and they have really good ingredients and I just love to share that with you. If you like these kinds of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Oh, I forgot to do my subscriber of the day. Shit, those are my people. How could I forget? And my subscriber of the day goes to Kenzie Vandiver. You know I love you so much. Since the day I met you, you have started to support me and I'm so thankful for you and I love you so much. Okay, y'all, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Baby, I need you.